I'm here from California today to tell you about my sweet baby boy, Jack William Mitchell. He was born and raised in San Diego. Our whole community of La Jolla was devastated by Jack's death. Everyone knew Jack. He was a popular football player and was loved by all of his friends, parents, teachers, coaches, pastors. Jack had been a volunteer at the community center for years, helping senior citizens. He was known for his amazing smile and sweet demeanor. Everyone loved Jack. Jack came into this world as my 57-year-old mother was dying from cancer. From the second he was born, he filled my life with joy and love. I could never stop hugging and kissing him. He was the perfect child. We loved to laugh together. We spent endless hours on the beach or bike riding. We even took up boxing together. He was always so embarrassed to be my sparring partner, but he did it anyway. Jack's dad, who was from Kalamazoo, and I raised our two boys on sports fields, mainly on the football field. He played both sides from age 5 through high school. He had incredible strength, both of body and mind. 4 years ago, Jack's dad died of cancer at age 50. This devastated our whole family, and particularly Jack. He was very close to his dad. He wanted to run his dad's structural engineering firm when he got older. Jack lost his way for a while. During my last visit with Jack, he said he had learned a lot from life and was excited to move on to college. He gleamed as he told me about how he loved swimming. He said it helped him heal from the death of his dad. It was really therapeutic for him. Right after this happened, I swam in front of a bunch of boats trying to kill myself. I stopped and went immediately to the hospital. I soon realized that both Jack and his dad were very strong people, and I decided to be strong too. I got up and I fought. I am here today to beg the court to show no leniency for Tyler Boyd. He destroyed a promising future of a wonderful boy. This is Tyler Boyd's second offense. There was an incredible amount of alcohol on board, along with 2 young children, with no regard. Please show no mercy for the man who ended my boy's life before it actually really began. Please send a message to all drunk boaters. Thank you.
The decision that I made to drive that boat while intoxicated on July 5th, 2020 was the single worst choice I've ever made in my life. I cannot imagine the effects of the trauma that I've caused on Jack's loved ones and friends. My actions resulted in Jack losing his life and his future. I wish I could go back in time. I wish I could trade places. I wish I could do anything possible to bring Jack back, but I can't. To his family, his friends, and especially Jack, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that my decision to drink alcohol and operate a boat has resulted in the loss of Jack's life. This was never my intention. To Jack's family, I can't express how sorry I am to you. I understand the loathing and dislike that you have for me and being responsible for his death, and I deserve that. I wish there was something I could say or do to make this any better for you, and to get Jack back. In reality, the only thing I could have done was to choose not to be behind the wheel of the boat in the state that I was in that day. In the 617 days that have passed since the day Jack died, not one day or 1 hour has gone by that I don't realize that I'm able to wake up, able to talk to my family, able to continue with my life while Jack cannot. That is not lost on me, and it never will be. I would like Jack's family and friends to know that while I move forward, I would like to do everything in my power to bring Jack with me. The changes in my life that I've made since the accident include living a sober, present, and intentional life. I want Jack's family to know that I will do everything I can to make sure that Jack's life was not lost in vain, and that his spirit and his soul move forward through me, with me, for the rest of my days. I'm sorry.